With these affiliate marketing tips, the sky's the limit. There are many people who have made extra income by participating in online affiliate programs. Some people make a lot of money, while others make much less. It takes knowledge and perseverance to run a successful affiliate marketing website. If you want to know how to become a successful market affiliate, read the following suggestions. Use affiliate ads as a service to your readers and make sure that it complements your content. Provide it as a way to send them in a right direction based on something you have said or recommended. This will make it seem less out of place, and more like a service you are providing. You may have to invest a little bit of capital if you expect big results in affiliate marketing. Do not be afraid to spend some money on ad services that will allow you to better target traffic. This will ultimately increase your presence online and give you many more chances to earn big commissions. Check the conversion rate of the affiliate company you are considering working with. Look for a site that has at least 1% conversion ratio, meaning 1 out of every 100 visitors make a purchase. Check the sales copy of the site and see if it makes you want to purchase. Find a quality affiliate program to work with. They should provide you with the tools that you need to be successful. They will offer things like banners, recommendation letter templates and text links and teach you which techniques work the best under different circumstances. These things will make it easier for you to get started. Pre-sell the offers that you want your readers to buy. Just adding a link to a product is not going to make you much money. Explain why you love the product and why you are someone they should listen to. Include the benefits that you have received from the products. To make the most money from your affiliate marketing efforts, you need to focus your time and energy on meeting your customers' interests. When they find that your page contains information they want, they are also going to be interested in the ads you have about the same subject. An affiliate website's success depends on the site's ability of attracting visitors. It is important to encourage visitors to stay on the site and convince prospective customers to visit the retailer's site. It is a good practice to reward returning customers or the ones making larger purchases in the form of a sample product or gift. You can set up your affiliate marketing account through each company that you would like. Each company will have their own criteria for allowing you to be an affiliate, but most just appreciate the free publicity. Just make sure that the company you choose has products that you want to endorse. There is no magic get-rich method to earning money in an affiliate marketing program. The key is to devote time into applying these tips and other advice that you might get, and work hard in your program. If you do that, you will be on the path to success. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, You will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.